Hey everybody, welcome back to Throttle Grotto. So this week I did two videos and I did them both in the same day because I'm wearing the same shirt. But I've made a lot of progress here in the shop this week. Not so much on cars, well, a little bit on cars. Had a lot, actually looking around here, I got a lot done this week. So what did I get done? Find out after this. Alright, so it's been a busy week. You might notice a Subaru behind me, and that is because this is a coworker's daughter's car that got wrecked, and I didn't really do any video of it before it got wrecked, or what I did to fix it, but I'm in the process of straightening the whole front end out. You can see here, don't worry, he's going to repaint the hood, so I got some stuff set on there from the video I made earlier. But this whole front end was pretty crunched up, and straightened out the whole core support and got that to where the hood latches and everything closes and the shut lines look okay. We're just waiting on a few more parts before I give this back to him and then bring the Porsche back home. Another thing that I did was clear off the Datsun. Got that kind of cleaned up and ready to take some pictures of. Sorry, things are kind of a mess. Well, they're much less of a mess in here, actually. I moved the NX over to the other bay where the Porsche was staying. The Porsche is actually in the car trailer that delivered the Subaru. And one of the things I'm happiest about is I had a big China hutch over here that came with the house. And it was a really nice piece, but I had no use for it, and some friends of mine opened a antique store, so I was able to load that into the truck and take it down to their shop to put on consignment. And now I have, look at all this room in here. I don't know if you guys saw this before, but it was an absolute disaster. So I got shelves up now. I got everything that was on the floor here on the shelves. And I've got room to work on bikes. It's like I finally got my bike shop back, which is nice because I really didn't have a space for working on stuff. It was kind of stumbling over everything. So that was really nice to get done this week. And, of course, the last thing, probably the most important for everyone, is I unearthed the rabbit. It was basically, I was using it as a storage bin for stuff I was going to sell or hadn't really decided what I was going to do with yet. And so now I have unearthed the car. I have got the hood up, which means I'm getting ready to start working on this car again. So, yay! So I'm definitely excited about having that opened up, and now I can start thinking about all the things that I need to do on that. The Datsun's going to go up for sale this week, and my coworker's car should go back to them this week. So it's been a busy week. A lot of things going on here at the shop. So. And then Rallycross this weekend. So next week's video will be a last weekend at Riverdale Raceway for the Northwest Rallycross Series. So a lot of stuff going on here at the shop, but in addition to working a job. So hopefully I'll have a couple of parts for the Rabbit here soon, and we're gonna get going on that. So that's it for this week. It's a short video, but just a quick shop update as to what's going on here, and making progress trying to get stuff cleaned up and help some people out, make a little side money, all that fun stuff that we like to do as car guys. So that's it. Until next week, get out there and work on something.